Welcome to Luca and Miguel. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to change a Toyota Corolla backlight. First, let's gather our essential tools. You'll need a Phillips head screwdriver and a flathead screwdriver to handle various fasteners. Make sure you have the correct replacement bulb for your specific Corolla model. A plastic trim removal tool is also highly recommended to safely detach interior panels without causing any damage. Having these items ready will make the process much smoother and quicker for you. Now let's get to the taillight assembly itself. Open your trunk and look for the small access panel located on the side, directly behind the taillight. You'll likely find a few screws or clips holding it in place. Use your screwdriver to carefully remove them. Once those are out, gently pull the panel away. This will reveal the wiring and the back of the taillight assembly, giving you the access you need to proceed. With the assembly exposed, it's time to replace the bulb. Locate the bulb socket you need to change. Gently twist the socket counterclockwise, usually about 1/4 of a turn, and pull it straight out from the taillight housing. The old bulb can then be pulled directly out of the socket. Take your new bulb and firmly insert it into the socket, making sure it's seated correctly for a good electrical connection. This step is crucial for proper function. Finally, let's put everything back together and test your work. Carefully reinsert the bulb socket into the taillight housing, twisting it clockwise until it locks securely into place. Then, align the access panel and reattach all the screws and clips you removed earlier, ensuring it's snug. Before closing up, have someone help you test the new taillight bulb to confirm it illuminates properly. Congratulations! You've successfully changed your Corolla's backlight.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.